Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Today, we'll be walking you through the process of changing the display panel on your Thermomix TM31. This is a critical maintenance task that can revitalize your device and enhance cooking experiences. Let's dive into the necessary tools and steps. Tools you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, replacement display panel compatible with TM31, a small container for screws to keep them organized. Step 1. Power down and unplug. Before you start, ensure your Thermomix is completely powered down and unplugged. Safety first. This prevents any electrical issues while you work. Step 2. Remove the base screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws at the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws. Carefully unscrew them and place them in your small container for safekeeping. If you're not confident about doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 3. Detach the top panel. With the base screws removed, you can gently lift off the top panel. Use the flathead screwdriver carefully if it's stuck. Be gentle to avoid any damage to the plastic. As you proceed, it might be helpful to have someone assist you or refer to our services, including pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer professional help. Step 4. Disconnect the old display panel. Now focus on the display panel itself. You'll notice a few screws or clips securing it in place. Unscrew or unclamp these, then gently disconnect the ribbon cable that links the display to the main board. Remember, it's important to be gentle here to avoid damage to the connectors. If you're unsure, we can perform diagnostics to identify any other issues. Step 5. Prepare for the new panel. Before installing the new panel, take a moment to clean inside the Thermomix with a soft cloth. Dust can accumulate and affect performance. This is the perfect opportunity to give it a thorough clean. If at any point you feel uncomfortable, our no calls, no travel policy means you can easily arrange for our technicians to assist with your repair needs. Step 6. Install the new display panel. Take your new display panel and carefully connect the ribbon cable to the main board. Ensure it's securely attached. Then replace any screws or clips you removed earlier to secure it in place. This step is crucial for the stability of your device. Step 7. Reattach the top panel. Once the new display panel is in place, align and reattach the top panel of your Thermomix. Make sure all edges are aligned properly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to securely fasten the screws you removed earlier. Step 8. Test your Thermomix. Plug in your Thermomix and power it on to test the new display panel. Make sure everything functions correctly. If there are issues, do not hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency for our services. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the display panel of your Thermomix TM31. If you feel this task is too daunting or if you encounter any problems, remember that our experts are just a call away. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.